Let me guess. So you're stopping by because you're looking to up your copywriting game. And let me say you won't be disappointed because I have a tried and proven formula that will help you to be on the way with writing better copy for your ads, for your emails, for any marketing campaign that you're looking to run. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Micheal Stewart and I'm a marketing strategist and entrepreneur. And if you're into any of these kind of stuff, business, entrepreneurship, marketing, as well as the technical stuff, web design, graphic design, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that notification bell. I try my best to share things as I am on this path of entrepreneurship. So let's get straight into it. Tried and proven copywriting formula that I will be sharing is actually PAS. It's an abbreviation, PAS, and it stands for Problem, Agitate, Solve. Let's start with problem. So any good copywriting would want to start with really calling out the problem that their target audience is actually having. Let's use the example of a company that is selling mattress. So you want to call out the problem by saying, are you looking to get rid of that old mattress, or are you struggling with having a good night's sleep? So that's you calling out the problem. And then agitating means that you're somewhat trying to seep into their emotions. You're trying to get them to feel emotional about the situation. You're getting them to think about the problem, why they have the problem, the effects of having the problem, the struggles of having the problem. So it's you just really digging a bit deeper into the problem, so to speak. You're just developing on the problem some more so that the audience can really think into it and want to actually change the problem, want to reach that third thing, which is the solution. Moving on to S, the solution or solve. That's where you actually present the solution to the problem. You want to, of course, couple this with an offer. If I'm running an ad for a mattress company, hey, get our mattress. It's made from the best material that will guarantee a very good night's sleep. It has adjustable remotes so that you can adjust it to however you want and you'll wake up feeling rested. And you're telling, how this will actually solve the problem. You're mentioning the features and the benefits. And also you want to couple it with an offer. And just to add a bit of background and why PAS works and why so many marketers use it is because studies have shown that people are more motivated to make a change when they're uncomfortable than to make a change because they desire something. So they're more motivated by discomfort than they're motivated by desire. So that's the basis of why this formula works. And if this video has been helpful to you, of course, please hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and see you in the next one.